If you have steel wheels, start by removing your hubcap. Gently pry it with a little pry bar or screwdriver. Be careful not to break it. Sometimes these get stuck. Just work it back and forth. There. Now with the 21 millimeter, remove all 5 of your lug nuts and then remove the wheel. I'm going to start by removing this top nut with a 14 millimeter. I might have to hold it with some locking pliers, but I'll give it a try like this first. With some locking pliers, I'm going to grab onto the back side here and just try to hold the stud, prevent it from spinning as I try to loosen the nut. Try to clamp them on as tight as you can. I lost grip. Perfect. Now let's do the same thing to the bottom. And remove the nut. Awesome. Start in your new sway bar link on the bottom first. Slide it into the top and start on your 2 nuts. Now with a 15 millimeter, snug them both up. I might need a wrench to hold this. Oh, I guess not. If you do end up needing a wrench to hold the stud, the shaft of the stud in here, find whatever appropriate size. I think it's an 18 millimeter, and there's a hex cut out there for you to hold it. Now let's torque it. Torque these to 29 foot-pounds. Awesome. Now do the same to the other side of the vehicle, and then let's put the wheel on. Go ahead and put the wheel back on. Now start on all 5 of your lug nuts, bottom them out, and then I'll torque them to 76 foot-pounds. .76 foot-pounds. Double check it. And if you have the steel wheels with hubcaps, don't forget to put the hubcap on. You want to match up this slot right here with your valve stem. Otherwise this ring is going to crush the valve stem and you might get some leaks. Okay, there we go. Awesome.